Alright, so vlog number 2. I started these vlogs because I kind of wanted to force myself to do something more exciting, and I was hoping that if I kind of put my life out there, then I might have some better ideas. So what am I gonna do right now? I'm on my way to mail a hat. It's a nice hat. That's the best I can do. Don't look at me like that, lady. I didn't do anything to you. Well, at least it's not snowing anymore. God, don't scare me about it being 4 degrees. I don't care. When I made my last video, it really made me realize how much I say and I don't think I actually say it that much. I don't think I actually say it that much. I think I say it a lot when I'm driving because I'm multitasking. I mean, I can't chew gum and walk. That's why I kill so many people when driving. The hell was that? Isn't that the worst when you're driving and then you hear a sound that you've never heard before? I had a Jeep Liberty a couple years ago, and every time I heard a sound, so yep, well, guess I'm not eating next month. Is that Matt? Matt, you're my vlog. I like that hat, Matt. Okay, I didn't mean to be all Dr. Seuss on you there, but because it's not actually a hat, it's a helmet. But it's cool. I liked it. I need to put you back so I don't have to hold you. I can drive with one hand, but the casualties will increase as a result. Why am I yelling? My hand's getting tired. See, this is why I bought a holder thing. I said again. Am I gonna have to throw up another counter? I wouldn't mind having a holder right here, but there's nothing to hold the holder. The back of my head just blew off. Oh, God. I know you don't have feelings, but I'm sorry, car. I am sorry. No, I insist. After you. I insist. It is gym time. Best time of the day, but only when it's not leg day. My legs in the shot, you can see how scrawny they are. Yeah. Going for that frog body. Alright. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Did I just do a Limp Bizkit reference? Don't repeat that to anyone. Okay, I am sweating to death. Where are my keys? They're in my coat. It was a good workout. The only thing that wasn't good, when I picked up the dumbbells, a person came up to me and lifted up like the next weight up. They grabbed the weights and maintained eye contact with me, almost as if to say, "You're a pansy." Now I'm not very competitive, but I had to re-rack my weights and go the next weight up after what they grabbed. So then they did it again. So eventually they grabbed a weight above what I could do. And normally that wouldn't bother me, but she was about 67 years old. I think I need to get in better shape here. Or she needs to tone it down a bit. Yeah, I'm in 3 lanes, so what? I'm allowed. Jesus, red light! Listen, I'm a good driver, okay? I just gotta make sure I remember to edit this part out. There's currently a police officer behind me, and I'm one of those people that gets nervous even though I've done nothing wrong. So nervous that if he got out of his vehicle and pointed his gun and said, "Get on the ground," I'm 90% sure I would respond with, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to." Okay, so this vlog was mainly driving, and I apologize if that was boring. But next week, I will, actually it's this week, I will be going to Halifax for AltSecon, the Atlantic Security Conference. So I'm going to try to get some really cool footage there. And yeah, so I will see you next week. I think the walk sign is on.